We are approximately 2 months away from 2026 right now. I know, I mean, feels like it was just yesterday that the academic year started. It feels like it was just yesterday that we were having these very friendly, very intense battles on and off the field in the name of inter-house competitions. So it's kind of crazy to think that all of it is coming to an end. And you know the one thing that inter-house competitions have, that inter-school competitions can never compete with? It's the fact that no matter who wins here, it's always going to be the DNA family that is proud. So, before the academic year officially comes to an end, let us bring that cutthroat spirit, that very friendly spirit, back for the one last time in the month of November. Give our best and make the DNA family